Hey, it's your girl Iesha B. Welcome back to my channel. Let's see what's going on. Alright, so today we doing nails. Polygel nails is my preferred. Never used acrylic, don't feel like it because polygel treat my nails so good. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so I went back over a couple things, but I'm just doing some nail care. I'm sorry, I got a little sore throat. I pushed back my cuticles. I nipped some of my cuticles and scraped some of the ugly, gunky stuff that was up on my nails because I had my natural nails out for about a week now. And I'm just going to do the one hand like I did in my last video. I lost all my primer, like it dumped out for who knows how. I don't even know, but I use the alcohol as a dehydrator. And then I don't use a primer really. I'm just going to use the Model 1 base for my nails and put that in the lamp. And after that, we're going to go put our nail forms on. I somehow did not remember that I wanted to put tips on, but I was doing them so short, I just let it rock because I had already put the base coat on, so it was what it was. So you're just gonna see me. I clip it through a little bit so it doesn't take forever doing certain things because I felt like my last nail video was mad long. So I'm just taking out the stuff I need now. I'm gonna encapsulate just a couple little fruits because I'm not doing the nails too long, and I wanted to keep them in the same color scheme. So it's like a strawberry and like a little lemon looking thing. I guess it could be a grapefruit, I don't know, but it's like pink in the middle and then yellow on the outside. And then on the other hand, I ended up doing a strawberry and what looks like a pomegranate inside. Who knows, whatever. But yeah, so I'm just taking out the stuff I need, and I'm gonna go ahead and situate myself to start putting on my polygel. Now, with this polygel, it's the first kit I bought, and it is not the best. It's better color wise, honestly. The pigment shows better without you having to put like a whole bunch of polygel on. But it took me forever to shape my nails. Like, it looks fast, but it wasn't, because you know I like them to have that little bit of narrow to kind of get closer. Not necessarily coffin because I have them at a more natural length, but I want them to be like tapered on the side, and it took me a long time to get them in a comfortable spot. I had to keep going in, you know, it was a lot of work dealing with it. So I wouldn't suggest getting this polygel kit if you haven't really played with it at all. I will still link it in the bio. You know, I'm just saying, definitely use with caution. If you just want to save money just to try it, then okay, that's fine too. But that's just my point of view on that. I'm gonna come back in when I get to taking these dual forms off. So I'm going to go in and do a semi-thin layer. It's really not even that thin. And I literally just tap the little fruit inside of it. I'm going to put it in the dryer, and well, I do both of those nails together, both of the clear ones that are going to get encapsulated. I put them in the nail lamp together, and then after that I just put, you know, a nice little layer back on top of it so that it's encapsulated. Simple as that. Not that big of a deal. If it was longer, I would obviously put more. It would be a little bit longer process. I would have loved to put loose glitter in it, but I don't have any loose glitter, so it is what it is. I tried to order some from Amazon and my package got lost. I ordered a whole bunch of nail stuff and my package got lost. So I've been dealing with the same products, and I'm pretty much over my polishes. If anybody has any suggestions on polishes, please comment them down below. I prefer gel polish, but you know, whatever you think is best for some summery colors, coming on fall colors. So yeah. I'll be back in a second because I don't want to like over talk and then you guys be like, wow, why is she talking so much? Okay, let me stop. So I ended up going back in on this nail after taking my nail forms off because I wanted it to be a pinch longer. And because it had like a little flyaway on the top, I kind of just, you know, leaned on that because obviously taking off the nail form, I could have had more shape. But I didn't see that I didn't like the length and the shape until I'd already done it. So it was what it was. It ended up looking fine, especially since I had to file it still anyway. And I just wiped off my nails with the same alcohol before I started filing so that I wouldn't get, you know, all the dirt and debris all up on it and it'd be all gunky. And I ended up doing this whole set with just the nail file. I didn't really use the drill at all. I only used it for like 2 or 3 nails on the underneath part just to keep it from being a little bit too lumpy underneath. But other than that, all of my shaping was with my hand file. So I was very proud of myself. Usually I use the drill, even though I probably didn't need to, but I just wanted to get it done and out the way. But instead I took my time and I did it, and it turned out really, really good. They look pretty and simple, but still, you know, have a little pizzazz to them. So yeah. So you saw that I buffed them, and I'm gonna go in and put on this little glitter polish I had, this Beetles brand. I've used a couple of their polishes before. This glitter is so cute. The other polishes I have are really dark, so that's why I haven't used them recently, because it's not really time for dark nail colors. But yeah, I only ended up doing one nail with the glitter. I kind of wanted, now looking back, I'm like, I could have did another nail glitter, but it is what it is. And I just do the gems on the other two. I speed this up a lot, but it is hard to use this dotting tool. It sucks. These dotting tools are terrible, and I really want to get a new one, but I just can't bring myself to spend $10 on a tool to put glitter on. Like, that's literally how much they cost, and that's stupid as hell. So I just go in and do the top coat when I do my gems, and this one that I have for Model 1s, it keeps them in place. The last set that I did, those stones didn't fall off for almost 2 weeks, and that was lovely. And then I'm just gonna do the top coat on the other nails in a separate set, and I keep it going. And after that, I wipe them off one more time and do my cuticle oil, and then it's like, okay, girl, you cute. All right, you festive. If you like these, please let me know. Comment down below. Give me some suggestions for any other styles you would like to see. I do have nail foils. I have all other types of rhinestones. And I look forward to having you guys here next time. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. And see you soon. Bye.